Hey there, Zerners! Today, we're builders. We'll use this centimeter grid paper and these centimeter cubes to help. Let's get started. This is the foundation of our building, 4 square units. Now, I'll place 4 cubes directly on top of the square. This represents the ground floor of our building. You try. I'll make a second floor by putting another 4 cubes on top. Your turn. Update your building so that it matches mine. How many cubes are there now? Now there are 8 cubes. The ground floor stayed the same. We built one more layer of 4 cubes on top of it, so the second layer of cubes makes the solid taller. Let's add one more layer. What is the total number of cubes now?
We started with 4 unit cubes in the first layer. Then we added 4 more in the second layer. That's 8 cubes. Then we added 4 more in the third layer. 8 plus 4 equals 12 cubes.
I also got 12 cubes. Since there are 3 layers with 4 cubes in each layer, I thought of it as 3 times 4 equals 12.
That's right. Let's take a closer look at our unit cube. Let's measure the dimensions. The length is 1 centimeter. The width is 1 centimeter. And the height is 1 centimeter. Each edge of the cube measures 1 centimeter, so we call this a cubic centimeter. We can also write it like this. We use cubic units, like cubic centimeters, to measure volume, the amount of space an object takes up. What is the volume of this solid? 2 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of this solid? The volume is 4 cubic centimeters. Now, let's build a different structure with a volume of 4 cubic centimeters. Each of these shapes has a volume of 4 cubic centimeters. No matter how we arrange the 4 cubes, the volume stays the same. Ah, I can see our building now. Let's keep going. This time, we'll use our notes. Today, we're working on Mission 5, Lesson 1. We'll start by drawing 1 cubic unit. I'll connect 4 dots to make a parallelogram. This will represent 1 square face of the cube at an angle. Your turn. Next, I'll draw 3 straight line segments to the right from the 2 vertices on the top and the 1 on the bottom right. Give it a try. Finally, I'll draw 2 segments to represent the missing edges. Now we have drawn 1 cubic unit. You try. Now let's draw 2 cubic units. Connect 4 dots to make a parallelogram just as we did before. Then add another parallelogram that shares its right edge. Next, draw 4 straight segments to the right from the 3 vertices at the top and the one on the bottom right. Finally, draw 3 line segments to represent the missing edges to complete your shape. Now we have 2 cubic units. Nice work drawing cubic units. Are you ready for a challenge? What's the volume of this shape? Each layer has 8 cubic centimeters, and there are 2 layers. 8 times 2 equals 16, so the volume is 16 cubic centimeters. Great job building shapes and calculating volume today, Builder. Keep it up.